like before plastic existed, just like cotton. Is there a reason I couldn't just use cotton or linen? Probably linen would be better. Versus this like plasticized fabric stuff. Yeah, I definitely need to figure out more of the local food scene here. Like farmers markets and stuff. There's definitely less than in Massachusetts. Like in Massachusetts, there is a farmers market in every single town. So there were a ton. Yeah, this bag smells. Clay. Clay bags. Have there been any good storms? Aren't you a storm chaser, Wilson? I heard there's a tornado warning in Massachusetts, or potential for tornado. You do the storm things. There's been no weather here. It rained one day. We've been here a month. We've been here a month. And there's been one day of real rain. Otherwise, it's been sunny. It definitely feels a little bit like LA here. LA of the North. Intestinal lining of a lamb. Huh. I wonder if you could still get it to use as piping bags. That would be cool. I guess it would be like a sausage casing, but like I feel like I'd have a lot of blowouts. The weather and the, yeah. Google's not giving me much. What the hell, Google? Your one job is to provide us information for these random questions we have. I mean, I know people are like, no, the internet's used for porn, but like really it was invented for this. Okay. So like this probably goes on the inside, right? Great innovation run on the internet. Have you guys seen the... Okay, I don't know if I can figure this out on my own. So like it probably goes like this. And this comes off. So I don't know what size I need. How do I know? These all are probably too big. Maybe I just need this one. Hank, no. You're on my naughty list. Stop scratching me. Wait, but this doesn't screw on then. Have you guys seen the TikTok AI chatbot trend? Where people are making like $7,000 a day? No. It's basically where people pretend to be like an NPC thing. So people pretend to be you can see Hank down there. Look at her little face. People pretend to be like an NPC where they're like, they like just are like frozen until you give them a gift or do something like to give them a gift. But then it's like also a sexual thing because people will like give them yum yum ice cream so good balloon pop, like give them enough gifts in a row to make it look like they're like orgasming or something. Like there's definitely like a sexual... Jesus Christ, Hank. Honestly, you guys, Hank just knocked over our recycling can. She's like a raccoon. Like, why? She has food. And now she's just going to rummage around in there. Hank, what are you doing? Hank needs some cannabis. She won't take the CBD. Hank needs help. I literally think she's like a demon. So yeah, so there's some like sex thing happening with this whole NPC thing. There's a sex element. It's like the